and welcome back to another episode of the 6 a.m. Club, where we start our day inspired. Today, I am bringing you a quote from James Clear, one of my favorite authors, that says, "The beginner chases the right answers, the master chases the right questions." In a world obsessed with finding quick solutions and instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of seeking the right answers. But what if I told you that the true path to mastery lies not in having all the answers, but in asking the right questions? Let's unpack this idea further. Imagine that you're embarking in a new journey, whether it is learning a new skill or starting a business or pursuing a personal goal. As a beginner, your focus might be on finding the correct steps to take, the proven strategies to follow, the right answers to your questions. And yes, seeking knowledge and guidance is essential, especially in the early stages of whatever it is that you're trying to pursue. But here's where the shift happens. As we progress along our journey and we deepen our understanding about the thing that we're working on, we realize that the landscape of mastery is not defined by fixed answers, but by fluid questions. The master understands that every answer opens the door to a new question, and every question holds the potential to deepen the insights and the understanding. Instead of seeking certainty, the master embraces uncertainty, curiosity, and the expanding realm of possibility. So, what does that mean to chase the right questions? Well, it just means cultivating a mindset of curiosity and openness and inquiry. It means being willing to challenge assumptions, to explore alternatives, and to venture into the unknown. As I have gone through my own journey, I remember this pattern very distinctly. Let's talk about my career, for example. When I started my career, I was seeking answers. I was looking for the answers on how to do things, how to master things, right? I always thought that there was a particular way of doing things, that there was a particular answer. I was looking for answers everywhere. I wanted to learn with the intent of finding answers to my questions, because I thought that once I became an expert, then I would be able to solve all the problems and to excel at what I was doing, to become a high performer. But as years have come, now I find myself in a place where I'm constantly looking for the right questions to ask. I have become more curious, or I would say my curiosity has shifted. At the beginning, my curiosity was around answering the questions that I had. Now my curiosity is around asking the right questions so I can learn what I don't know, so I can unpack things differently, so I can seek different perspectives. And even in my own life, when it comes to personal development, at the beginning, I was seeking for role models, for books to read, for people to learn from mentors and coaches. And now I have become my best mentor and my best coach, because I'm constantly looking for what are the right questions to ask myself so I can learn and unpack things. I have learned how powerful questions are. I have learned that the quality of your questions determine the quality of your life. You can shift your perspective by asking the right questions. You can find the right answers if you ask the right questions. See, when we are in a path of discovery, some questions that have been helpful for me included things like, what am I truly passionate about? What are my core values and beliefs? What does success look like to me? What am I willing to sacrifice in pursuit of my goals? How can I leverage my strengths and overcome my weaknesses? What impact do I want to make in the world? What legacy do I want to leave behind? These are the questions that guide us in our journey from beginner to master, from seeking answers to embracing inquiry, from striving for certainty to embracing the beauty of the unknown. So, as you embark on your day today, I want to encourage you to embrace the spirit of inquiry. Allow yourself to ask the right questions, to explore new possibilities, and to journey over closer to mastery in whatever endeavor you pursue. Thank you so much for joining me for another insightful episode of the 6 a.m. Club. Remember, it's not about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspiring, and keep chasing your dreams. I'll talk to you next week.